Hey, it's me, and I'm on a 1970 Honda 70 that I got from my dad. This is my trip, and these are my friends that I dragged along with me. Justin Snook on a 1972 Honda 70. His father owned it before him. Has the longest trip out of any of us, total of over 300 miles. So you would think he's the most prepared. He's actually the least prepared. Jeremy Tomaszak riding a 1980 Honda 70. It was his uncle's, and then it was passed down to his dad, and now it's been passed down to him. So basically it's their family's most prized possession, and we're probably going to blow it up this weekend. Travis, riding a 1975 Yamaha GT80. No, it's not his, it's mine. His dad didn't give him a bike because his dad rode horses and cows and stuff on a farm. But we needed a fourth person because I don't like odd numbers. So here's Travis.
As you can see, we got beautiful conditions out here for this mini bike ride.
Prime weather for what we came here to do. We're not doing great so far. We've been here about 10 minutes. I gave Travis a working bike. And what does he bring me? A bike that won't run anymore. So now our first stop instead of the bars, we're going to the hardware store. We're going to see what we can do about that. Get him some wheels. Otherwise, we're just going to leave him at the hardware store. It's as simple as that.
Rock on.
He agrees. As you can see, I made sure that everyone had some sort of spare gas can strapped to their bike. Looking back on this trip, I wildly underestimated the gas mileage that these bikes got. In addition to that, I extremely overestimated the ground we were all going to cover. We did not need those gas cans, but we filled them up anyways. How's your mirror? About 5 miles into the trip, we had our first casualty. We had to stop at an intersection to make sure we were going the right way, and as soon as we shut one of them down, we couldn't get it started again. Oh, and while we were trying to get him started, Justin ran into a tree somehow.
Did you see an intersection up there? Hey, whoa, Travis!
blowed up.
Which one?
No running on this model, and he's
I've got an issue too.
he went through that water puddle wide open back there.
I want to ass pack him, and my throttle was stuck, so it was hit him or go through the mud puddle, and we took the puddle, and must got something wet because now it won't. We lost it.
The Yam though, the Yam's running optimal speed. The problem was it was getting too much fuel. We just shut the petcock 3/4 way, frickin' rips for about 5, and then she loses all her fuel. Then you gotta run her wide open again. But you get a couple minutes out of her frickin' chewing.
So what you're trying to tell me is the two I brought are fantastic.
Correct.
I got a wet fucking foot, is what I know.
Are you kidding me? Look at my foot.
Yeah, I'm over it.
I blew my foot to pieces.
I don't have a change of boots. You do.
No, I don't.
You have the shoes, I thought.
Yeah, at your house.
Is there
A Goodwill?
in here or?
Everything closes here in about 2 hours.
We waited to be as far away as possible to do all of this. As far away as possible.
So how far?
Oh, I didn't get any of that.
All right, bud. So we're on an island, and there's a lake on the island, and there's an island on the island.
Towing us back.
From Fox Lake, we started our trek back towards town. Some of us under our own power, others being pushed or pulled, or would run for a mile, not run for another mile. Either way, we made it back just in time to have dinner at the local pub and start our nighttime shenanigans.
I'll take a picture of all of you. Once he gets done with his photo montage. What?
It is a big step.
Big step. I did it last year. All right, good on you for doing it.
Call us tourists, but there's just two things we had to do. Have a Long Island, because we're on a Long Island, and do the shot ski, because we're up north and we had just enough people.
1, 2.
Also, these next two clips are not us. Instead, they are paid actors doing highly technical stunts. Again, not us.
Whoa, let's get a light going. Hold on. Are you ready? There we go.
Oh yeah.
Wait, that's it? Somebody's minivan.
Oh, yep, not good.
Here comes. JJ's riding the 70 to the hotel room.